In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a sign-up form in your audience dashboard. We'll be working inside the sign-up forms area using the form builder to put together a simple, effective form that you can share with your audience. This process is straightforward, and once you understand the layout, it becomes very easy to make quick edits whenever you need to. To get started, go to the audience section and then open sign-up forms. This is where you'll find the tools used to create forms for collecting subscriber information. Once you're there, select the form builder component. This is the editing area where you can design your form visually without needing to write any code. Inside the form builder, you'll see a panel on the right side that contains the available form fields. From there, drag the required fields you want to collect, such as first name and email, onto your master form mockup template. As you place each field onto the form, think about what information is actually necessary. Keeping your form simple can often improve completion rates, so it's a good idea to start with only the essentials unless you truly need more details. After adding your fields, you can customize the wording so the form is clear and user-friendly. To do that, click directly on the text field labels inside the Chrome layout pane. This allows you to edit the labels right where they appear on the form. Make sure your labels are easy to understand and consistent in style. Clear labels help users move through the form quickly and reduce confusion, especially on smaller screens. Take a moment to review the layout as you make these edits. Pay attention to spacing, readability, and the overall order of the fields. A clean structure makes the form feel more professional and easier to complete. Once your form looks the way you want, go to the top of the page and copy the sign-up form URL that's listed there. This link is the direct form address you can share with others. You can use it anywhere you want people to sign up, such as on a website, in a social media post, or in a message to your audience. And that's it. You've opened the sign-up forms area, selected the form builder, added the required fields, updated the labels, and copied the direct link to share your form. With these basics in place, you're